How to find Snapchat users near me. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to find Snapchat users near you, you can use Snap Map and location-based features. So first, go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. And now you can pinch the camera screen to enter the Snap Map. Or you can tap on this location icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, and this will take you to the Snap Map. On Snap Map, you will see friends with Bitmojis who have shared their location. You can explore public snaps from the nearby users by tapping on Heat, which is the areas with a lot of snaps. And to discover new people, you can tap on the search bar from the home screen. And here, simply go ahead and enter the username of the person that you want to find. And once you find the person that you'd like to add, you can tap on this add button that is highlighted in yellow color next to their name. Go ahead and tap on that, and you'll be done. Snapchat also suggests users based on mutual friends and proximity. You can only see the users who have chosen to share their location with you. If someone uses ghost mode, they won't appear. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.